a clicking or tapping sound you can hear in the middle of the night. It's coming from this lid. It's rattling around. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. It's a kind of a quick fix, and then I'll show you the real fix. Listen closely and you will be able to hear it. As I breathe in, you'll hear the click. Wouldn't you know it, the quick fix involves a piece of duct tape. You put the duct tape around the bottom of the tank, and then you pull it up around as you're pushing down on the top of the tank, and hold the tank down tight, and then tape it down. Now you hear me breathe in, no click. Before I show you the real fix, I'm going to show you how I fill my water tank. Check out my God's Waiting Room playlist. I have a video there that'll show you how I set this up. For the real fix, buy a new water tank. Thanks for watching.